This item is a lot like the second item we talked about that included the secondary question, which choice best maintains the style and tone of the passage? And that's really what I'm doing here again. Although they're not asking me that secondary question, I can identify that that's the type of question because I can see that detailed is my only underlined word and that the rest of these choices are kind of saying the same type of thing in a different way. So I want to make sure I'm maintaining the style and tone of the passage and that I'm using a correct word. So let's read it through. Court reporters are the record keepers of the court, taking detailed notes during hearings, depositions, and other legal proceedings. Detailed actually sounds okay to me. So I'm going to take a look at some of my other choices. Super rigorous and spot on. These two choices just seem pretty informal to me. And if I'm talking about an SAT passage, I'm going to lean a little more toward formal than informal, unless the passage, for some reason, seems to be more informal. I'm not going to choose something like B or C. I can take a look at intense. Intense kind of replaces that with a one word, and so that might seem right. So I'll read it through there. Court reporters are the record keepers of the court, taking intense notes during hearings, depositions, and other legal proceedings. But if I think about intense means doing something to an extreme degree. And while that might work, we're talking about court reporters being the record keepers and how they are keeping those records. Well, in the sense of a court proceeding, during hearings, depositions, and other legal proceedings, we would want that court reporter to take detailed notes, in which case our best choice for this is A, no change.